Hi everyone, my name's Brooke. I'm here from Edrolo. Today I'm going to take you through some tips for how you can use the different features in your Edrolo account just to study a bit more effectively and to save yourself some time as well. So I'm here in the biology course, but this applies to all of your courses. You can jump into any of them. So first we're going to have a look at the video lessons that you have available for each of the different topics that you study. So I will jump into one of these video lessons. You can see when you jump in, you've got the video playing in with a PowerPoint in the background, which you can follow along. But what I want to focus on is some of these features down the bottom here, which can be really useful for you. The first one is this bookmark feature. This is a really helpful way for you to leave a little note for yourself if there's something that you want to remember about the video, if you feel you want to revise it again, or if perhaps you have a question for your teacher that you want to bring to class next time you're in class. You can just leave a note there for yourself and select whether you want to either watch it again or you're having trouble with something. I recommend leaving a fairly specific note so that you know what you were referring to when you come back to it. And then you can save that and they'll all be in one spot, which I'll show you in a minute. And then another really great feature is this download resources button. This allows you to download a copy of the PowerPoint notes that are playing in the background of the video. So if you download a copy of that, you might like to print it off and then take notes while you watch the video. This just ensures that you're engaging with the video, and it means that you don't have to take down all of the PowerPoint notes as you watch. You can just annotate it yourself and just take down things that are valuable for you. Another really great feature is this notebook here that pops up down the bottom of each of the videos. So this just allows you to take notes about what's going on in the video or anything on the PowerPoint that you want to remember or come back to. It's a really great place for you to compile all of your notes across your courses. So if you leave a note here on a particular part of the video, as an example, you'll be able to pop that there, that will save, and then when you open the notebook, you can see that note there for that particular lesson. Popping back into the video, you'll see that as you progress through the videos and you come sort of towards the end of the lesson, you've got little multiple choice activities to complete throughout. These are a great way to check your understanding as you go through the videos and ensure that you've been taking in what the presenter's talking about. And then another really great feature that I love that I would encourage everybody to use is self-rating. This pops up at the end of all of the videos and it just asks you to rate your understanding of the video from 1 to 5. I highly recommend not skipping past this. It's a great way for you to keep track of your learning. If you are popping in a rating for the lesson, I would say a 1 would be if you're really struggling with this topic, and it's something that you need to come back to or have a chat to your teacher about. And a good idea of what a 5 would be is probably if you could teach the topic quite confidently to someone else. So you can pop in your own rating, and then when you return back to the study planner page, you'll see that all of those ratings pop up next to each of the individual videos. And this becomes a really great way for you to track your progression throughout the course and see which parts of the course are more difficult for you. And then when you come to your revision time, you can target those topics where you've popped in 1s and 2s because you know that those will take a little bit more time for you to get your head around and revise. Your teacher can see these ratings too, so it's a really great way for them to keep track of where everyone in the class is at and target topics to spend a little bit more time on. Your bookmarks are all up here, so you can access those there and see all of the bookmarks for the different topics that you've done, and you've also got your notebook up here as well. Another really great part of the Edrolo platform are your review questions. These questions cover all of the topics in your Edrolo account. And you can just pop in here and complete them as you get to the end of a topic. So you'll see some will be multiple choice, some might be short answer. As you do those, you'll go straight through to the self-marking section, and you have a full video solution which walks you through all of the components of the answer and explains to you why you might have got it right or wrong. And then you can just select whether you feel confident or whether you feel that you might need a little bit more study for that particular question. And after you've gone through and completed all of those, you can just pop back to your study planner page and your teacher will be able to see that you've completed those questions. That's all for today. Thank you for listening, and I hope that this will be helpful.